In this short video, I want to show you how to quickly assemble your Luminous Red Model 1 Pro unit. First of all, what you need is your Luminous Red Model 1 Pro core unit. As you can see here on the top, you see the internal connection where we put the brain on top to assemble the unit. This is quite simple, really simple and straightforward. First of all, the Luminous Red brain usually features an internal connection on the bottom of the device and further connection outputs on the back of it. For the Model 1 Pro, we use the internal connections. This is because we do not need additional cables that way, and for a modular device, this is the better option if you do not have additional cables on the back of the unit. So what we do is we simply take the buffer, put it on top of the device, and then we simply put the brain on top and take the fixation screws, put them through like that and like that, and simply screw on the brain. After you've done this, the assembling of the device is almost done. The only thing that we still need to do is, back of the unit, we need to make sure that the connection is properly adjusted for the brain unit. For that, we need to look at those two switches here and put them on the setting 2. So the 2 lines need to be set so that the signal from the brain directly reaches the lighting unit. Now all that's left is to plug in the power plug and start the device. If you have any more questions, let us know below, and see you in the next video.